Have your gemstones lost their sparkle? Has your gold lost its luster? Get a jewelry store quality cleaning right in your own home. The Flitz Ultrasonic Cleaner Kit helps get the most out of your ultrasonic cleaner. Your kit includes
It quickly
8-ounce metals
refill
such as
of
gold,
Flitz Ultrasonic
silver,
Cleaner,
platinum,
16-inch by 16-inch
sterling
microfiber,
titanium,
ultra suede
stainless
polish
steel,
applicator,
rose gold,
ultrasonic basin
tungsten,
not included,
copper,
accessory kit
palladium,
only.
It easily removes soap scum, lotion residue, body oils, grease, makeup, and hairspray from metals and gemstones. It quickly cleans metals such as gold, silver, platinum, rhodium, sterling silver, titanium, stainless steel, rose gold, tungsten, copper, palladium, zinc, and more. It restores and clarifies diamonds and gemstones, including emeralds, rubies, sapphires, amethysts, garnets, opals, jade, amber, turquoise, agate, pearls, and more. It's perfectly safe to use on synthetic diamond simulants such as cubic zirconia, rhinestone, moissanite, rutile, spinel, flint glass, and strontium titanate. It's also safe for use on natural diamond simulants such as topaz, zircon, andradite, and quartz crystal. You can use it on belt buckles, eyeglasses, sunglasses, and watch bands. To use, pour 4 capfuls of Flitz Ultrasonic Cleaner with 1 cup of water into an ultrasonic basin. Then run the basin for 90 seconds to 3 minutes. Once the piece is clean, remove from the solution, rinse with water, and dry with a Flitz polishing cloth for a high shine and luster. For extremely dirty jewelry, add an additional capful of concentrate to the basin. The ultrasonic cleaner can be reused until it becomes visibly dirty or cloudy. Restore heirlooms for the next generation. Get yours today.